So the trick on this question is that the question is asking who ends up moving in the original direction of play. You've got to basically, so you've got, one football player, we'll say this is the quarterback, and he's moving in this direction, and you've got the linebacker, bigger guy, linebacker, and he's moving in this direction. And so the question is not, who's going to keep moving in their direction. Ultimately, what you want to do is you're going to find the momentum of this player and the momentum of this player. You're going to multiply these two numbers together, and you're going to see which one has a higher momentum. Whoever's a higher momentum, they're the one who's going to be moving off to the right or to the left. So does the linebacker win, or does the quarterback win? Now notice in the example here, the linebacker, he's 110 kilograms, and he's running at 2, so he's not moving as fast, because the quarterback is moving at 3, and his mass, though, is smaller. So 82 times 3 versus 110 times 2. Whichever numbers of these is bigger, it's going to move in that appropriate direction.